Good evening and welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. It's been 103 days since the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. And today came a massive twist, even as the NCB is trying to zero in on what they say is a drug syndicate operating in Bollywood. The family of Sushant Singh Rajput dropped a bombshell. Speaking through their lawyer, they said that the focus on drugs and the summoning of film stars has actually taken focus away from the Justice for Sushant campaign, leaving many wondering what exactly is going on with this probe.
जो दिशा जा रही है इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन की, वो दिशा जरा घबराने वाली है परिवार के लिए। और ये लग रहा है कहीं ना कहीं एक ये फीलिंग आ रही है कि ये मामला जो है अंजाम तक जल्दी नहीं जा रहा है और ये गंभीर बात है। नारकोटिक्स के एंगल में जिस तरह से मुंबई पुलिस एक फैशन परेड करा रही थी, उसी तरह से लग रहा है जैसे कि अब बड़े बड़े स्टार को बुला करके सारा मीडिया अटेंशन उधर ले जाया जा रहा है। तो इसलिए आज के दिन में ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि सीबीआई को इस मामले को अबेटमेंट टू सुसाइड से मर्डर में कन्वर्ट करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, क्यों इसमें विलम्ब हो रहा है। आज एम्स की टीम बैठी हुई थी और 5 दिन से सीबीआई भी 6 दिन से आई हुई है, लेकिन उन दोनों की मीटिंग भी नहीं हुई, मीटिंग भी नहीं बुलाई गई। देखिए कॉन्क्रीट मिला है कि नहीं मिला है। देखिए नॉर्मल सीबीआई इतने बड़े मामले में नॉर्मली प्रेस स्टेटमेंट देती है, आज तक एक भी प्रेस स्टेटमेंट सीबीआई की तरफ से नहीं आया है।
These charges are serious. You just heard Vikas Singh asking why there is a fashion parade of Bollywood stars being carried out. Is the CBI investigation into Sushant's death not on track? Has its importance been decreased with all the focus shifting to what the Narcotics Control Bureau is doing? The entire attention is now on the superstars who are being summoned and questioned. As for the CBI probe itself, the family also wants the charges on Rhea Chakravarti to be changed from just abetment to suicide to actual murder. Also, the family has said, why is the AIIMS forensics team not submitting its final report? Should that report be made public? Because they say they've actually spoken to a member of the forensics team, one of the doctors who has told them that Sushant was 200% murdered. With this new twist, naturally everyone who's been waiting for the last 3 months plus for justice for Sushant, they'll all be asking, what's happening to the investigation and is the probe really being derailed?
The News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
All right, joining us now on the debate, we have Rajiv Pandey, advocate and spokesperson of BJP, Varun Singh, briefing lawyer in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, Ganesh Hivarkar, choreographer and Sushant's friend, Arshi Khan, actor and former Bigg Boss contestant, Vikram Singh, supporter of the Shiv Sena, film director Akashdeep Sabir, and political analyst MC Abbas. I want to start by asking you, Rajiv Pandey, is the probe derailed?
No, I don't think so. You know, CBI is such an important case. CBI must be investigating and trying to join the dots. You know, you cannot make out a case against anybody without investigating thoroughly. And in this case, whole country is watching. If CBI has to make out a case, they will make out after collecting all the evidences. What Vikas Singh ji has said today, that may be his view because he is a lawyer of the
It's a very serious
family.
view because it's the view of the family. Speaking on behalf of the family,
No,
Varun Singh, where is this impression coming from that this probe is going nowhere? Because in the language used, what stuck out for me was that they said that it's like a fashion parade. The probe is derailed.
Yes, of course. Because if you see from where we started to where we are, there is a stark difference in the direction which the matter is going into. And legally speaking, in terms of where we stand, I think if the complainant family always has a right that in case many would question that the investigation has been given to CBI at the behest of the complainant family itself. But there is legal provisions to suggest that in case if even after the investigation is being conducted by any agency, if certain aspects have not been considered into, then the complainant family has all the rights to seek for a court-monitored investigation as well on the basis of the apprehension it has.
Okay, court-monitored investigation. That shows, that betrays lack of trust, Rajiv Pandey.
Padmaja, you know, whatever is happening with the NCB office, that stars are being brought, that is on a separate issue. That is a separate FIR. CBI is investigating the FIR filed by the victim's family. You know, we cannot jump to the gun. I am not representing CBI here. CBI is the premier institution of the investigation in this country. CBI is investigating, and only they can say that when and how.
So you're saying the family is jumping the gun. Varun Singh, is the family jumping the gun?
The legal position is
the agencies are going where the investigation takes them.
For court monitoring
So,
inquiry.
ma'am,
in my view,
it would.
they should wait till CBI comes out with their.
You should wait,
their findings.
Varun Singh. You should wait, not jump the gun.
So as I stated earlier, from the legal perspective, if the family apprehends that there is something which has not been considered or something that should be considered, taken into consideration, then of course they have the right. But having said so, it's not as if we are saying that CBI is absolutely not looking into. It's just as a family, there is
into consideration or not.
If you would permit me to complete, this is not a. All I'm saying is that as of now, there has to be some angst. You yourself have categorically said that in a 3-month-long investigation, there's nothing which has come out so far. So of course, their angst or the anxiety of the family obviously will stay there. And if they particularly feel that there is something which ought to be taken into consideration because it is such a watched case, and now that it's taking a different turn altogether, that family to have that anxiety is absolutely natural. So for anyone to say that we are pre-jumping the issue or we are moving ahead too fast, all we have said, whatever we have said so far, is within the legal ambits, within the legal domain for the complainant family to question if at all they have to in a court of law. So it's not something that we are saying that no, one way or the other, it's in a final outcome. But of course, to have this kind of anxiety is absolutely natural.
There's anxiety, Ganesh Shivarkar. There's anxiety, and just to put the timeline correct, actually the CBI investigation has gone on for 37 days, not 3 months. The ED probe actually started earlier, 56 days, and the NCB then started its investigation 31 days ago. Yes, Ganesh Shivarkar.
Yes, the one thing is that when I get the photos of body of Sushant, I am connected with one of the doctor's team in the Australia. I've done many shows in the Australia, so I know that doctor's team. There are also the organizer in that show. There are the doctor's team who has उनका काम ये होता है कि पोस्टमार्टम करने क्या, सुसाइड क्या है, मर्डर क्या है, एक्सीडेंटल केसेस क्या है, ना वीवीआईपी केसेस में ऑस्ट्रेलिया गवर्नमेंट पे उन्होंने रिकॉग्नाइज किया है. उनको जब फोटोज भेजा तो उन्होंने एग्जैक्ट टाइम बताया. ये फोटो जब निकाला है उसके 22 घंटे पहले मौत हो चुकी है. एंड द सेकंड थिंग, जो मशीन होती है जो पैरालिसिस किया जाता है, वो मशीन के उनके पैर पे और गले पे निशान है जो वो मशीन से पैरालाइज किया गया पहले. एंड थर्ड चीज, पैरालिस गले पे जो किया गया उसकी वजह से एक आंख हल्की सी बंद हुई है और एक आंख ओपन है.
तो आपका कहना क्या है? आपका कहना है कि सीबीआई को भी इस नतीजे पे जल्दी से पहुंच जाना चाहिए, पर सीबीआई तो अपनी टाइम से काम करेगी ना, और जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन
मुझे लग रहा है
आपने जिनसे भी बात की है उससे ज्यादा ट्रस्ट तो आप एम्स के फोरेंसिक टीम को करेंगे ना.
एक मिनट, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि सीबीआई को ऑलरेडी सारे प्रूफ मिल चुके हैं.
हाँ,
सिर्फ मैटर चल रहा है शिवसेना बीजेपी के बीच में कि करना क्या है, ओपन करना है कि नहीं, इनके नाम ओपन करने हैं या नहीं. क्योंकि सीबीआई जब इन छोटे छोटे चीजें, मैंने जब ये पता कर लिया है एम्स के डॉक्टर एंड
ये तो कुछ अलग ही टर्न ले रहा है राजीव पांडे. ये कहा जा रहा है कि मर्डर सबको पता है, ये पॉलिटिकल रीजंस की वजह से पत्ते खोल नहीं रहे हैं. राजीव पांडे, ये तो कुछ अलग ही अब ट्विस्ट आ रहा है.
I am not going to even respond to this. Only one thing I want to say, that when Lalu Prasad Yadav was charge seated, then it took several years. Now he's in jail. Let CBI work as per, because this is the stand of the BJP government that we never interfere in any agency's work.
गणेश शिवारकर, और आपकी मर्जी से नहीं हो सकता ना कि न्याय कीजिए अभी.
मैंने हमेशा अंधा भक्त हूँ बीजेपी का, नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आज सुशांत से ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ, बीजेपी से भी ज्यादा। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, अगर बीजेपी वाकई में सपोर्ट में है तो क्या मुझे दिल्ली से परमिशन मिल सकती है? आई एम अ महाराष्ट्रियन पर्सन, मैं मराठी में पैदा हुआ हूँ, मुझे सीएम को क्वेश्चन पूछने का हक है, तो मैं सीएम के घर के सामने आज अनाउंस करता हूँ टाइम्स नाउ पे, मैं भूख हड़ताल पे बैठना चाहता हूँ महात्मा गांधी के देश में अहिंसा को सपोर्ट करते हुए। क्या मुझे बीजेपी दिल्ली से परमिशन देगी? इलीगल परमिशन दे सकती है?
वो परमिशन तो एक्चुअली आपको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से लेनी पड़ेगी, सेंटर वो परमिशन देगी नहीं, क्योंकि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट।
आई डोंट हैव एनी पॉलिटिकल करेक्शंस, व्हाई कहा जाऊं मुझे नहीं पता है, लेकिन आई एम रेडी टू डू दैट थिंग।
Okay, so the public trust is being eroded. Rajiv Pandey, you seem to be, even people who were standing on your side all of these days, people like Ganesh Evarkar, are now turning around and questioning you.
Padmaja ji, victim's family asked for CBI. We went to Supreme Court. We said yes, CBI. When the ED things came, ED registered FIR. When the drugs issue came, NCB registered FIR. You know, we can only say that independent investigating agency should investigate the matter. We are not judge, jury and executioner. We are nobody. Finally, the evidence has to be collected by the agencies. Charge sheet has to be filed before the courts of law, and later on, court will decide about the matter. We are not going to interfere.
Varun Singh, so is this an effort to put pressure? Because also there are several people who are questioning what you have said about speaking to one of the doctors on the forensics team. Now, this is a matter under investigation. Should the appellants be speaking to the doctors?
No, of course, see, right, as on date, the complainant, he has all the rights to support, to build and give as much evidence as possible to ensure that the case comes to its logical conclusion. And the only reason why, if a court monitor investigation can also come about, can only be in a situation when the complainant suggests that the matter has to be investigated and should be looked into from certain aspects which are really crucial for the purpose of investigation, and those angles are specifically ignored. Only in those circumstances, the court says, yes, that may be a situation where we may monitor the investigation. So for us
so
to
are you saying now that you don't trust the CBI investigation also? That you want a court-monitored investigation?
I'm not saying so. All I'm saying is that the family can have the anxiety, the family can raise questions, and they're legally entitled to do so. And as a family to have that anxiety, because the matter before, as said by the senior counsel also, in a matter of such national importance, it was only expected that in such a situation that some kind of response may be made in public domain.
But Varun Singh, the timeline of the investigation, when there was doubt about where the case is going, to ask for a CBI investigation was valid. It was allowed by the court also. But to decide the timeline seems a bit premature, doesn't it? I mean, it's only been 37 days.
Well, I'm not sure, because the CBI is the first one to start after the FIR, registration of the FIR. Before we went to Supreme Court, in the beginning of July itself, I think the matter went there. Irrespective, I'm not on the number of days. You're very right to say that at least a minimum of 90 days has to be given for any investigative agency to file a charge sheet. So that on that aspect, I'm not saying so. All I'm saying is that if there are certain aspects of the investigation which seems to suggest that there may be a case for murder which should be made out, and if those aspects have not been looked into, then of course it kind of creates a situation of anxiety.
Rajiv Pandey, respond, and then I want to open this up. Rajiv Pandey,
yes. I agree with Varun Singh. If tomorrow the family see after the finding given by the CBI, not before that. What I'm saying, if tomorrow they feel that CBI has not looked into these issues, these evidences, then certainly they can go to the court, and then court will decide about their claim, whether the CBI has done proper investigation or not, whether there is a requirement of court-monitored inquiry or not. But in my view, as a lawyer, I personally feel this is not the time to talk like that.
Arshi Khan, because everyone is saying that this is just a parade of stars. Let's be clear. The NCB investigation has made arrests. There are 16 people who are behind bars so far. They may not be glamorous, so maybe people don't remember their names, but it's not as if the NCB, like the Mumbai police, is just conducting a parade of people in and out.
देखिए, सुशांत सिंह का केस स्टार्ट हुआ था, सीबीआई ने, एनसीबी ने जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट की थी वो सुशांत केस के मर्डर के लिए की थी। उसके बाद इसके अंदर इतने रूमर आए हैं, इतनी चीजें निकाली गई हैं, कभी ये पॉलिटिकल भी बना है, कभी इसमें जैसा कि हमारी कंगना मैडम है वो भी आ गई हैं, उन्होंने भी बहुत बार लोगों के ऊपर टारगेट किया है। तो इतने रूमर्स हुए, इतना डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया है कि ये केस यहाँ से हटके पूरा स्टार्स की तरफ चला गया, पूरी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री को बदनाम करने के लिए चला गया। किसी का सुशांत सिंह
अरे किसने बदनाम करने के लिए किया भाई? NCB का, okay, first of all, I think what happens is that when people rely more on YouTube channels than anything else, facts are the casualty. Now let me just put out a few facts over there. There are 3 different agencies who are investigating. There is the CBI, which is investigating the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The Enforcement Directorate is investigating the money trail or any financial bungling that could have taken place. And then there's the Narcotics Control Bureau, which is investigating the drugs angle. The Narcotics Control Bureau also on its part has actually registered 2 FIRs. There are 2 parallel investigations taking place on 2 FIRs. The first FIR was filed by the NCB, ma'am, listen to me, on the 7th of September. This FIR is against Riya Chakravarti, her family and others. That is a separate investigation. And you've got the second FIR filed suo moto by the NCB on September 21. And that FIR, says the NCB, that's what they told the court, was to uproot the drug citadel in Mumbai, especially Bollywood. तो सब कुछ साइड बाय साइड हो रहा है। अर्शी जी, आप इतनी परेशान मत होइए, सब इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहे हैं।
कस्टडी में है, उसका कस्टडी खत्म होने वाला है, उससे जितनी चीजें निकलवानी है सीबीआई को वो निकलवा लेनी चाहिए। इसकी वजह से जितने भी एविडेंस,
मैडम ऐसे नहीं होता ना इन्वेस्टिगेशन कि अभी कस्टडी खत्म हो रही है, क्यों सीबीआई ने चीजें नहीं निकाल ली, क्यों सीबीआई ने चार्जशीट नहीं कर ली, क्यों सीबीआई ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं कर ली। ऐसा नहीं होता है, टीवी डिबेट थोड़ी ना है कि 30 मिनट में सब कुछ हो जाएगा।
डॉक्टर को बुला रहे हैं, वो भी बुला लो, अभी उसको भी बुला लो आप, वो भी केस।
राजीव पांडे मैम, आप अगर सीबीआई डायरेक्टर होती तो बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ चलता। अभी जिस तरीके से चल रहा है केस, वैसे ही चल सकता है।
प्रायोरिटी तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस ही है ना, कोई दीपिका ड्रग लेती है या फिर कुलप्रीत रहती है, उसके ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए। मेरे हिसाब से सुशांत सिंह राजपूत पर ज्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए, ये फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए किसने ड्रग लिया। दीपिका ने सुशांत को ड्रग नहीं दिया, रिया ने दिया, तो रिया एंड वी वांट जस्टिस।
उसमें 6 महीने बाद भी की अरेस्ट हुई है।
पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है, अब इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कितने नाम खुल रहे हैं, 65 नाम आए, 35 नाम आए, ये सभी चलता रहता है, ये दिन भर की परेड चलती रहती है। आज दीपिका लैंड कर गई, अब दीपिका जा रही है, अब रकुलप्रीत की स्टोरी आ गई है। मैडम, सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट था सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, उसके बाद ये सब जो लिंक है ये बाद में इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, ये मेरा सोचना है।
मैडम, आप इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी में नहीं है, ना कि मैं हूं। अब जो इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं, वो जिस तरीके से कर रहे हैं उससे आप इत्तेफाक नहीं रख सकती है, तो ये अलग बात है, बट दे कैन वर्क ओनली ऑन एविडेंस। अब आप कहेंगे कि हाँ फोकस शुड बी ऑन सुशांत, किसी को पकड़ो और उसको सूली पे चढ़ा दो, ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
सूली पे तो चढ़ाना ही नहीं है ना मैडम, वैसे भी रिया चक्रवर्ती तो है ना कस्टडी में, वो तो दे ही रही है ना सारी चीजें।
इंसिडेंटली आपको पता है रिया चक्रवर्ती किस केस में है कस्टडी में? आपको पता है रिया चक्रवर्ती किस केस में है कस्टडी में? एक सेकेंड, आपको पता है अंडर व्हाट चार्जेस इज रिया चक्रवर्ती इन जेल? What is the case which has taken her to jail?
जितने भी चार्ज है वो 10 साल के लिए जाए, वो 20 साल के लिए जाए।
अरे answer my question ना, do you know which are the charges for which he is in jail? Which is the case for which he is in jail? Is it the CBI case? It's the ED case? It's the NCB case? Which case has taken her to jail?
जो भी चार्जेस लगे हों उससे हमें सिर्फ ये चीजें उगलवानी है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ क्या क्या हुआ है, वो हमारी प्रायोरिटी है। हमें दीपिका पादुकोण से मतलब नहीं है।
अरे आपको मतलब नहीं होगा भाई, बट पीपल हु आर एंगेज्ड इन, इफ दे आर एंगेज्ड इन अ ड्रग नेक्सस, देयर एनसीबी को मतलब है ना, देश आपकी प्रायोरिटी से थोड़ा चलेगा। इफ द एनसीबी हैज अ केस, एनसीबी विल इन्वेस्टिगेट द केस।
देन एनसीबी गिव्स प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ना मैडम, हम रूमर्स पे बिलीव नहीं करेंगे।
रूमर्स किसने बोला है? तो एविडेंस पे काम कर रहे हैं। ओ एक सेकंड, ओके, लेट मी ओपन दिस अप एंड आल्सो गेट इन आकाशदीप साबिर एंड एमसी अब्बास। आकाशदीप साबिर, so now we are supposed to believe that any other case, if the evidence crops up for any other, misdemeanor being conducted, that should be ignored. If the agencies
No.
find that, hello, there are people, okay, so this is how it happened. Sushant Singh Rajput died. It led to RIA. It led to discovery of some drug consumption. It led to the discovery of drugs apparently being also peddled to other people within the industry. So the NCB said, okay, let's have a parallel investigation. It never said, stop the CBI investigation. Stop the investigation into Rhea Chakravarti. Now we will focus exclusively on what's happening at Dharma Productions, at this talent management agency, or because of these 4 stars.
No, Padmaja, the point where the debate started is related to what you just asked. The angst in Sushant's family is not that the CBI or the NCB is not doing their job, but I guess to sum it up, the kind of leaks that are coming up from the NCB or CBI or from wherever is all about Bollywood. It's all about things that get you headlines. And in a way, what Arshi said, the people around, and let me tell you that after doing 6 and 8 debates a day, when I meet people, they say, what the hell is going on, buddy? Where is the Sushant Singh case? So this angst is there. Oh, Deepika is in a green dress. She's going in a black mug. हम उसके building के पास खड़े हैं. अरे आप उसके घर में भी घुसे हो, हमको लेना देना नहीं है. If this probe is happening to find the perpetrators of Sushant Singh Rajput, I understand, Padmaja, but for that, the people who
It's quite funny, Akashdeep Sehgal, for somebody who's totally disgusted with the coverage and doesn't want focus on Deepika, you watch the coverage so minutely कि आपको ये भी याद है कि वो किस कलर की ड्रेस पहनी थी और कौन किस बिल्डिंग पे खड़ा हुआ था. That in itself is very telling.
That was a metaphorical statement. I'm not a prime-time news reader. I just said these are the kinds of things we hear. My point is, actors are drug users, punish them, I agree. But at the time of Sushant Singh Rajput taking prime time news, the people who supplied drugs to these
it all boils down to this. The point being raised by Akashdeep Sabe, Rajiv Pandey is that there are very convenient leaks happening from the NCB, you know, this, that and the other, but nobody knows where the CBI is.
No. Padmaja,
Akashdeep Sabe wants leaks from the CBI.
Padmaja ji,
no leaks.
Investigating agencies decide what to release, what not to release. You know, it can hamper. 1 minute, Sabir Sahab. It can hamper the investigation if there is a leak. If there is a leak, it can affect the investigation. I am telling you one thing. Whoever is talking about this drugs issue, Padmaja ji, I want to say one thing.
Yes, go on.
Drugs case is very important because drugs money, Hawala money are being used in this country for terror and Naxal activities. Every drug peddler should be arrested. Every drug cartel should be exposed. Every Hawala operator should be sent to jail for the safeguard of this country. You know,
MC Abbas.
in Kashmir,
MC Abbas.
Hawala money was stopped. Stone Pelter dried up. There is no Stone Pelter now in Kashmir Valley. Because
and you know, just to put a fact over here, the same thing was said that this probe is directionless. We are running around like headless chicken. This is all, you know, a hype being created. When, you know, a small amount of drugs was first recovered on the 1st of September. It was only 50 grams. People laughed, you know, there were memes. People said, what is this rubbish? What is this tamasha? 50 grams, etc. And now it has led to a link where 19 people are under arrest. And there is a bigger cartel which has been uncovered. And eventually all of this, argues Rajiv Pandey, is going to circle back into the Sushant probe as well.
But Padmaja,
But you cannot prejudge. MC Abbas.
All right. Thank you, gentlemen. I heard you. Kindly allow me a minute's time, please. Padmaja, I think at the start of the program, you enunciated very well and you categorically stated all the respective roles of the CBI, Enforcement Directorate and the NCB in the picture. The point of the matter is, when I was hearing all the respective panelists on the show and also the complete story on the whole Sushant Singh case, let me tell you, it is as simple as समझ के समझ को समझो, जो समझ के समझ को समझे, समझ में, मेरी समझ में, सबकी समझ में ना समझ है. It is all boiling down to this. And like there's a Latin proverb, nec dextrorsum, nec sinistorsum. One straight path clear cut to focus on investigation. Less speculation, more investigation. Less drama, more action. I think it is high time. I understand the angst of the Sushant Singh family to get to the end of the road, but CBI has taken 37 days. Let me question Rajiv Pandey and say, sir, Mumbai police कुछ नहीं किया, 30 पर 7 दिन हो गए, क्या किया CBI ने? कहाँ है रिपोर्ट? एम्स की रिपोर्ट कहाँ है? CBI का काम क्या? वो कहाँ है? मुंबई पुलिस पे क्वेश्चन मार्क, CBI पे
बताइए। Syed Abbas, how long does it take to file a charge sheet?
Ma'am, it depends whether there is a prima facie evidence, and based on that,
how much is the time allowed to file a charge sheet?
It could be 24 hours to 48 hours. Again, if there is a strong evidence, it could take place immediately.
Mr. Abbas. No.
Sir, there is a time of 90 days which is given to file a charge sheet. ये कौन सी धाराओं में आप 24 घंटे में चार्ज शीट फाइल करेंगे सर? ये तो मतलब शर्लक होम्स भी नहीं कर सकते आप, तो मतलब स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड भी नहीं कर सकती। 24 घंटे में चार्ज शीट फाइल करवा देंगे आप? मतलब यहाँ क्राइम हुआ, उधर सैयद अब्बास ने चार्ज शीट फाइल कर दी। सर आप बन जाओ हमारे सीबीआई के चीफ, आप बन जाओ। ऐसे 24 घंटे में चार्जशीट होंगे तो माशाअल्लाह हमारा देश कहाँ का कहाँ पहुंच जाएगा।
मैंने करोड़पति आप होस्ट कर लो, मेरी जो नॉलेज है उतना मैं बताऊंगा। FIR, I thought it's an FIR. Of course, charge sheet could take more time. And yes, 90 days accepted and agreed on the same.
Okay, so 90 days are acceptable. Then after 37 days, you say that a case which hung fire for a month and a half, there was no proper investigation done. Within 37 days, you're like, क्या किया CBI ने? किधर है रिपोर्ट? दिखाओ मुझे एम्स की रिपोर्ट। I want to find out murder कौन है? फांसी कब लग रही है?
Mumbai police should raise, even if it is 10 days or 15 days. All the media people will go.
Rajiv Pandey.
But CBI.
I will tell you the reason. The reason was the way this Sushant Singh Rajput case was being handled. You know, first time such a senior doctors are not putting the time of death. You are allowing people to ransack the crime scene. You are within 48 hours, senior officers are coming and saying prima facie it is a suicide. And then after 60 days, you are unable to say whether it is a suicide or homicide. So family member has done this. This is neither you are party nor I am party. Family member lost confidence in
Vikram
the Mumbai
Singh.
police. They approached Honorable Supreme Court of India, and then this matter is before. Then they approached Bihar police, and then finally transfer, and then Supreme Court said, let this matter be handled by CBI.
मैं शुरू से एक चीज बोल रहा हूँ, और वो चीज ये लोग सुन नहीं रहे थे।
क्या? कि
बीजेपी कुछ मीडिया के साथ मिलकर के अपना एजेंडा चला रही है, क्योंकि बिहार में चुनाव हैं, और उसके लिए इस मामले को ऐसे उछाला गया। मुंबई पुलिस को बदनाम किया, महाराष्ट्र सरकार को बदनाम किया, ताकि बीजेपी शिवसेना को एंटी बिहार बता सके और अपने आप को ये दिखा सके कि हम बिहार के लिए कितना कुछ कर रहे हैं। आप मुझे बताइए कि मुंबई पुलिस सही जांच कर रही थी? नहीं। और तब इन्होंने सवाल उठाए, नहीं जांच सही नहीं हो रही, सीबीआई को लाओ।
किसने बोला मुंबई पुलिस सही जांच कर रही थी?
परत दर परत हर चीज पे हर एंगल से देख,
ये आपने इन्होंने एक परिवार ने उंगली सीबीआई पे क्या उठाई? आप अपनी क्लीन चिट लेकर के चलते बने। आपको क्लीन चिट किसने दी? मुंबई पुलिस को किसी ने क्लीन चिट नहीं दी। आपने बड़ा कन्वीनियंटली अपनी क्लीन चिट ले ली।
दिन से ये बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं पहले दिन से ये कह रहा हूँ कि इन लोगों ने मुंबई पुलिस पे सवाल उठाया सबने कि मुंबई पुलिस सही जांच नहीं कर रही है, सीबीआई को लाओ। जबकि मुंबई पुलिस आपने देखा होगा
फैमिली नहीं बोला है,
नेपोटिज्म पे किया।
फैमिली नहीं बोला है, जिनके कंधे पे आज आप बंदूक रख के चला रहे हैं, उन्होंने सबसे बड़ी उंगली उठाई थी मुंबई पुलिस के ऊपर।
जी
हाँ, तो उन्होंने भी बोला, लेकिन आज देखो अभी उनके वकील ने भी बोल दिया है कि भाई सीबीआई जो है वो सही काम नहीं कर रही है।
पर ये भी क्यों नहीं बोल रहे कि मुंबई पुलिस ने सही जांच की थी?
जो डॉक्टर हैं तो सीबीआई
गणेश हेबारकर
जांच।
सही मैम, 14 जून को पता लगा मर्डर का, 15 जून को न्यूज में चला, 15 जून को न्यूज में चला, 16 जून को चाइना बॉर्डर पे कुछ हुआ, न्यूज चेंज हो गई, सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया, इन लोगों को लगा अब बहुत नॉर्मल है। तो 16 जून से 26 जून तक ये सारे लोग जितने भी मर्डरर थे वो हर जगह थे, उन्होंने सब जगह ये बातें फैला दी है। सबको पता है क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं है, ऐसा कोई नहीं है बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में जिसको पता ना हो रियल स्टोरी। तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ सबसे ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, वो पॉलिटिक्स से हो, बॉलीवुड से हो, कहीं से भी हो, अगर आप सोच रहे हो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द people all over in the world, वो शांत नहीं बैठेंगे। आप केस को घुमाना है घुमाओ, ड्रग्स की तरफ ले जाओ, बॉलीवुड की तरफ ले जाओ, जहां लेना ले जाओ। द पीपल ऑफ ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड वो शांत नहीं बैठेगी, मतलब नहीं बैठेगी, कभी नहीं बैठेगी।
राजीव पांडे, दिस सीम्स टू बी
गणेश जी, NCB is doing separate investigation. I am sure CBI will come out with everything with proof.
MC Abbas is showing you something.
Homicide case.
MC Abbas is showing you something. Rajiv Pandey, क्या दिखा रहे हैं आप? What are you showing, MC Abbas?
बड़े भैया ये देखिए कितनी खूबसूरती से आपकी पार्टी बिहार प्रदेश भारतीय जनता पार्टी सुशांत सिंह को इस्तेमाल कर रही है बिहार इलेक्शंस में। ये बिल्कुल गलत है।
थोड़ा ऊपर कीजिए, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है सैयद अब्बास।
There must be dignity in death. That is Sushant Singh Rajput, who's being used by the Bihar Pradesh of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is wrong, sir. This is wrong, and there must be dignity in death. And you using Sushant Singh Rajput for your campaign in Bihar is absolutely wrong.
आकाशदीप साबिर,
माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने बात किया, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल
उनके नाम पे वोट दे दो, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
समझने की कोशिश करिए, बिहार में कल्चरल सेल है, राजीव पार्टी में सब प्रकार के लोग रहते हैं, उन्होंने लगाया है पोस्टर। आपको दिक्कत क्या है? आपको
राजीव जी 1 मिनट, कैन यू लीव पॉलिटिक्स आउट ऑफ दिस? राजीव जी,
आपको कोई दिक्कत है?
पद्मजा
इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं बिहार इलेक्शंस के लिए।
Abbas 1 minute, the point, Pandey ji, you are keeping on saying that they are doing a great job, they will find out, I understand. But you are trying to create headlines with drug users. It is the peddlers because of whom narco funding comes here. So why is that not being leaked? Only Deepika, Shraddha,
who is trying to grab the headline?
So
let news channel not to show what NCB is doing.
Why should news
you go
channel
and talk to news channel. NCB will announce everything whatever they feel like for the safety of this country. Akashdeep ji, you are nobody to decide the investigation of NCB. Please, sir, neither I am somebody, nor you are, nor you can decide, nor I can decide, sir. NCB is duty bound to investigate the case. Let them investigate.
You know. Okay, let me ask this. Let me ask this. If the CBI actually says it was the family which wanted a CBI investigation, Arshi Khan, if at the end of it all, the CBI says that Sushant indeed committed suicide, or it says that yes, Sushant was murdered, will either outcome be acceptable? Because now there seems there is an effort to try and force a conclusion.
Correct.
मेरा सिर्फ ये मानना है कि सुशांत केस के अंदर जो भी सीबीआई और एनसीबी है उसका कोई ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट अभी तक नहीं आया है। सिर्फ रूमर्स पे चीजें चल रही हैं, उस पर हम बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, सोर्सेस पर हम बिलीव नहीं करेंगे। रिया के लॉयर ने बोला है कि उसने किसी का नाम ले लिया है।
मैम, आप किस पे बिलीव करेंगी? आप किस पे बिलीव करेंगी? आप किस पे बिलीव करेंगी?
लेकिन एम्स ने बोला, हमने नहीं बोला है।
आप किस पे बिलीव करेंगी?
बातें चल रही है ना।
अरे अर्शी जी, ये तो बता दीजिए आप किस पे बिलीव करेंगी? अगर कोई आपको देख रहा है तो शायद उसी से बतला देंगे कि आप बिलीव करेंगी किसको। वैसे ये अलग बात है कि जो एनसीबी के जॉइंट डायरेक्टर हैं वो आकर के वक्तव्य देते हैं अपना टीवी के ऊपर, वो आकर के बातें करते हैं, जा करके कोर्ट में भी उनको रिपोर्ट देनी पड़ेगी कि भैया अभी क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है। और आपको शायद ये पता होगा, जस्ट अ सेकंड, व्हेन यू से दैट कोई ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया, आपको ये पता होगा कि जब भी वो किसी भी आदमी या महिला की रिमांड लेते हैं ना कोर्ट से, तो ऑन रिकॉर्ड उनको बोलना पड़ता है कि एविडेंस क्या है, केस क्या है। सब हवा में नहीं हो रहा है भाई, एजेंसीज है, there is a process. You have to file a charge sheet at the end of 3 months to tell what is the evidence that you have on record, where is the investigation going, and every time, including when Riya Chakravarti went to jail, when she was sent to custody, when Chauvik was sent to custody, each and every time the agencies have to say, this is what we have on record, this is what we're doing in the investigation, this is why we need their custody, etc. So everything is not a rumor, a plant in the air. There are structures within which the investigation happens. Right now, the important thing though is that the family says it's not quite certain what is happening. This case seems to be in a state of flux. I think it's a very interesting point at which it is poised. Let's see how it affects the investigation, if at all. Because remember, tomorrow is a significant day when a questioning is going to take place of 3 big names of the Hindi film industry in 2 separate cases. We'll be keeping a watch. For the timing, thank you very much, all gentlemen, and Arshi Khan for having joined me.